Okay. So, waste lines come out of these two outlets, go to the right. And then there's a drop right there. So we need to tie into this riser. Waste drop, I guess, for any new plumbing needs for this space. Basically it connects all these waste lines and then drops right behind this column to the well. There's our domestic lines, heating domestic lines. Supply and return. And there's no return pump because it's over in the boiler plant. Cold water makes its way down to our sink. Domestic hot water is anchored at this mechanical wall. Return. Doesn't look like it. No. No anchor. None that way that I can see.